to Human Fitness. Today's challenge, we're gonna get it on. When we go into a little lunge, make sure you've got your G-Fit bands. If you don't have those G-Fit bands, that's okay, but go ahead, get in the description below this video, click on the link, purchase your G-Fit bands, and come back in tomorrow, come back in when they arrive. They'll come quickly. If you have Prime, you can get them on free shipping on Amazon. Let's go ahead and begin. I've got the band right above my knees, onto my thighs. I'm gonna press back into a lunge. Now watch, you see how I'm here? I don't want my knee to go forward. I'm gonna come back, be right above my ankle. I'm gonna press down, all right? And then from there, instead of coming out of that lunge and coming back, we're gonna go back and hold, find that position, find that form, tighten your abs, shoulders down, and we're gonna do wiggles, little wiggles for 100. So 50 on each side, and press out and in for just 50. Press and press. Now, what you don't want to do is just come in and cave, okay? I want you to be strong. I want you to be sturdy. I want you to be tight the entire time. Press, press, press. There we go. I'm really lucky. I get to be out in the fresh air, smell the ocean, have the sun, the breeze, the birds. But you get the next best thing. You get to watch the video and be part of it with us. Press, press. Don't give up, okay? We've got 4 different levels of resistance bands. So you can do the lighter one if you need to. If that's not enough, we're gonna go ahead and switch. Then you can add this heavier one. This one's extra heavy, and I'm telling you, it really works. It's a lot better than using some of those machines at the gym. All you do is see like the meatheads using those those machines, and they're actually really bad for you a lot of the times, or you're doing them the wrong way. These bands are made for your body, the way your body is supposed to move, with different muscles and different joints, without injuring yourself. We're gonna come back, go into our other lunge, the other side, find that spot, that sweet spot, okay? Don't give up, don't come out of that spot. Hold it and press for 50, okay? So we're not gonna injure the knees doing this because there isn't, like I said, big heavy machine or dumbbells. We're just doing small movements, moving in and out with these muscles around the hips, even the shins, the inner thigh, and then always think about your core staying tight. All right, all around here. And we press, press, press. Only 50. Woo. It's a little bit challenging in the sand, but that's good for me. My back leg, the left one, even the ankles and the feet muscles are working. We just have a handful left, you guys. Come on, stay with me. And finished. Good job. You should have felt that in your back quads more specifically. I hope that was a good burner for you. If not, you can always do these challenges over and over again. You can rewind them, do it 4 more times, whatever you'd like to do. And again, you can increase or decrease the resistance depending on which band you want to use. I hope I see you tomorrow at the next challenge for New Year, New You. Mwah.